Some sad breaking sports news to report this morning. Miami Marlins star pitcher Jose Fernandez has been killed in a boating accident. This happened early this morning off the coast of Miami Beach. He and two others were killed in that accident. His boat flipped over on the jetty. Officials say Fernandez was not wearing a life jacket. In a statement, the Marlins say they are, quote, devastated by the tragic loss of Jose Fernandez. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family at this very difficult time. And today's Marlins home game against the Atlanta Braves has been canceled due to this. Fernandez was just 24 years old.